You are watching Tajamul. Adil. Want to transform your home security with a powerful Reolink Altas PT Ultra? This just isn't an unboxing, it's a complete guide for installing and configuring this advanced camera with the solar panel. In this video, I will reveal the step-by-step process how to install Ultra's PT Ultra. Let's start with the unboxing and see what's inside the box. The Altus PT Ultra is a battery-powered outdoor 4K security camera with a continuous recording, color night vision, and panel tilt with auto tracking. Altus PT Ultra can record video in sharp 4K UHD resolution at 15 frames per second, providing detailed images both day and night. The Altus PT Ultra Security camera supports micro SD cards up to 512 GB for local storage of or recording. A card is not included in the camera, so you need to purchase it separately. The power button on the Altus PT Ultra camera is located on the long bracket attached to the camera body. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. When you power on the camera, it performs a self-test or calibration process to find its reference or 0 point. This involves moving its lens horizontally and vertically to determine its physical limits. To connect your Ultra's PT Ultra camera with your smartphone, you must use the Reolink app, which primarily uses the Bluetooth connection for initial setup. Download the Reolink app and install the official Reolink app from the App Store, and then use your phone to scan the QR code located on the top of the camera body. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. You will hear a voice prompt saying,
"Welcome to Reolink. Please install Reolink app and scan the QR code on the camera." Willkommen bei Reolink. Bitte Reolink App installieren und den QR-Code auf der Kamera scannen. Bienvenue à Reolink.
Use the Reolink app on your smartphone, log in or create an account and tap the plus icon and complete the process. After initialization is complete, the camera will be successfully added to your app and you can access the live view. Now we will learn how to mount your security camera with the solar panel. I will share the step-by-step process of Ultra's PT camera. So let's jump into it. Position the camera's mounting bracket over the anchor and the holes. Use a pencil or a marker to mark the location of the screw holes. Use the provided long screws and a screwdriver to tighten the screws until the bracket is held firmly against the wall or wooden panel. Finally, align the camera unit with the secured bracket and use the two short screws to fasten the camera on the base. To mount the Altus PT Ultra solar panel, you need to select a location with the ample direct sunlight and securing brackets on the wall or panel. Secure the solar panel bracket to the wall using the long screws. Adjust the panel to the desired angle and then retighten the knob to secure it. The solar panel needs a minimum of 2 hours of daily direct sunlight for pre-recording functions. Connecting the cable from the solar panel to the PT Ultra camera, plug the USB-C connector into the Type-C charging port on the camera. Once connected, the PT Ultra camera's battery icon in the Reolink app should indicate that it is receiving solar power. To get most out of your Ultra's PT Ultra, I will share some quick settings for best balance of security and battery life. You can set the camera to record 24/7. Enable this to capture the 10 seconds of video before a motion event is triggered. Go to the direction alarm to toggle specific alerts for people, vehicles or pet. Set a guard point to the camera automatically return to its primary view after the person leaves the frame. The security camera takes notification a step further than the other security cameras because of its soak power, which allows for much faster and smarter processing thanks to the pre-recording feature, which you get a notification and tap it. You can watch the video and you get to see the 10 seconds of action leading up to the trigger. The Ultra's PT Ultra delivers excellent video quality, capturing sharp, detailed footages in 4K resolution for both day and night. The footage provides excellent color contrast and looks professional in low light conditions. The camera produces clear, full color footage without needing its built-in spotlights to be on consistently. The Ultra PT Ultra maintained a smooth pan-tilted performance even in low light conditions because it separates a mechanical movement from its image processing. Even in low light environment, the Color X sensor provides enough contrast to the camera's AI to see and track a moving object. The Reolink Altas PT Ultra with the solar panel is a gold standard for wireless home security. This combination effectively transfers a high-capacity battery camera into a 4K surveillance station. Reolink Altas PT Ultra with a solar panel, its buying price is $289 and you can find the buying links in the video description. If you're interested in a portable car screen which can play games and can play streaming apps as well, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.